Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to our TGIF Talks, episode 193. I'm your host, Dr. Sheep, joined by co-host Anonymous Phil.
Yep.
Alright, let's roll the intro here.
On the clock.
Yeah.
Starting now.
Well. Alright, we'll just dive right into it, because this is what Phil wanted to cover. So,
Well, you didn't have a topic.
I usually ask, how are you? What have you been up to? And that leads into something.
That's
usually where we start. Do you want to start there before we delve into the
So I've been thinking recently about elements. Let's look up elements.
How did you... I didn't know it would switch back and forth. Okay, whatever. Well, no, we don't even have to. We can just click on...
Oh, you're a little quick tab.
Because I used to... I spent a lot of time on this website.
It's now a quick search. You don't even have to do that.
Yeah. Well, I saved it. But actually, what we need to pull up...
is... oh, yeah, you made an Excel of your elements, right?
Yeah, because we need to reference it.
You can't add to it, though, right? Can you add to the Excel file? Enable... Wait, what was that? Enable free editing.
I have to download it to OneDrive, and I hate OneDrive.
Why? I think you just hit continue. Oh, enable.
But I don't need to edit it. It's fine.
You don't need to edit it?
Not right now.
Edited it?
I don't need to edit it right now.
Edited it?
Anyways, okay. Now we have the actual... Yeah, so... we have the actual inventory.
Is that something that you'd want one day?
What?
Excel. Or just like Microsoft?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't really thought about it too much. Not really something... Okay, so we want... it's other... 1 centimeter cubes. Perfect.
Although, well, you have over on... What's the far right?
Yeah. So this tells us... this is
the next thing to get, right?
Yeah, except I don't have...
Actinium.
No, the problem is this whole thing. I've gone over this like so many times, and there still is no real easy way to display it all. There's this one, but this is old pricing, which is the issue, and doesn't. And this is also very outdated because I have...
You don't know the prices?
No, because, see, it says ohm but won't fit on table. Well, no, it does, actually. I have an ampule of argon. So it's not... This isn't up to date. But I know this is up to date, though, completely.
Mm-hmm.
Last I checked, anyways.
Yep.
Because we could just bring the stupid thing in here. It'd be easier.
Okay.
No, leave it. There's no place to set it. It's too big.
Au contraire.
Anyways, leave the poor elements alone. Because I think, Mercury's on here. So I think that was one of the last ones I did. Yeah, samarium. See, it's got the last hurrah of elements that I bought.
Oh, gallium. That's a cheap one.
Yeah, but these are ones that I own.
Oh, these are what you own.
Yeah. And then my samples. So, that samples. Although I had somebody comment, because apparently, because my problem is, I was under the impression that these ampules that you get, these flat bottom ones, are the ones that are supposed to fit in the table for the ones that you can't get a little cube for.
Okay.
Like cesium or whatever.
But it doesn't fit?
It doesn't fit. They're not...
The diameter's not right.
Yeah. See, this is the one that I ordered. But No, I don't have cesium, sorry. But it's 10 by 40. This is what you're supposed to put in your display case, but they don't fit. And somebody's like, oh, you bought the wrong ones. But I'm like, that's what I literally emailed them and was like, hey, what am I supposed to get to put on my thing? And they're like, oh, yeah, do this. And I'm like, okay. It doesn't fit, though.
You measure it? You measure it?
Well, no, I literally went to put it on there, and it just, it doesn't...
Yeah, no. Did you measure it to see how far off it is? Like, is the manufacturing error? Or is
It's not a manufacturing error. Everything was correct.
Okay.
But I didn't think that... I don't know. I don't understand it. So... Because that's the 50 mil 25. This is the one. Because this is just for glass ampules, but this is the one I have. This is the display case I have now.
Mm-hmm.
And see, can you zoom in from there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does that not work? Control. No.
Nope, that doesn't.
Oh, there you go.
Control 0, please. That's weird. Okay, so you can click on it, but you can't. There's nothing else you can do with this. See, those.
Oh wait, I bet you could.
See, their ampules fit.
There you go. Now you can zoom in. Oh.
That's as far. Okay. Oh. Okay. See, their ampules fit.
Oh yeah.
But let me see this, because last I.
Oh, that's part of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, those ampules fit perfectly.
They just have one in there.
No, they got those two as well.
Two.
No, but see, those are different. But see, these are their cubic ampules. And something I want to re-verify is that they don't have a lithium cube. Cesium cube now. Okay. Lithium metal... Oh, they do have a lithium metal cube now.
Do you not have one?
That was not a thing when I did this. $15 by 60 millimeter flat. Ah! See, that's what you need. That's the amp you're supposed to use. $45. Yeah, that's kind of what I expected.
Because you got a 40... Which one?
I got a 10. That's what I was told was the correct one. No, you need the 15 by 60.
What was your size?
10 by whatever. It's back on...
It seems like that'd be smaller.
It's back on... So if we scroll down the lithium... See, they don't even offer it anymore.
Oh.
I bought... this is what I was supposed to have bought, but this is not it.
Add to cart.
No, see, it's a lot more. Although I'm sure the price of lithium has gone up since the last time. Since the last time I went through this.
Mm.
Nothing on this site ever goes down. Everything goes up.
Ah.
Remember that, kids. If you're buying elements, everything goes up. Nothing ever goes down.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I've got one of these. I've got an argon one. 16. These are all pretty much... These aren't that bad. Like, Xeon's only $20. That's going to be the most expensive one. Fluorine. What? That's new. Huh. They said that wasn't going to happen. Well, clearly.
Well, they have different percentages. It's 70% nitrogen.
Yeah. So instead, what you had before they did this was just a block of fluoride, of Teflon.
Mm.
Yeah, but this Xeon should be the most expensive one, $20. So these aren't that bad. You could collect all the gases pretty reasonably. I'm on to different things now. So, you know, I have different obsessions now rather than cubes.
Cubes of gas.
Yeah.
How do they keep it glass?
What do you mean?
Well, so like at room temperature, they're normally a gas. How do they condense it down to a solid?
No. They're not solid inside the. It's the gas inside of a cube.
Oh, it's the gas inside of a cube. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, when I see 99.9%, I think they made glass out of krypton.
Yeah, no, they did not. Especially for helium, which is impossible.
Well, to the right pressure.
You can't make solid helium.
20. You can.
I thought it was impossible to make solid helium.
It's at 25 times the normal atmospheric pressure at 4 Kelvin, I believe.
What? I always told you couldn't make solid helium.
Yeah, I believe it is. It's I believe. Oh, there's it.
Huh. How about that?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Scroll back down there. What was that big yellow piece? Fluid.
The triple point.
He2. What the hell is He2?
Helium-2.
Oh, so is it bonding to itself at that temperature?
Yeah, it might be. So, where critical point?
That graph had more showed me more questions than it provided answers. I have more questions about its phase changes now than I did before.
I want melting point. You see boiling, density, liquid, triple point, critical point, heat of fusion, heat of vaporization.
A lot of M's. Does not have a melting
At
point.
standard pressure.
But okay, well then whoever.
So it's at
hold on, there's 3 more options.
Where?
Look. No, up at the thing. There's 3 more options. Up here.
Oh.
So we know it's crystal.
Yeah. 25 bar. But no, it's like 25. Yeah, at 25 times atmospheric pressure,
That's not terrible.
you can form solid helium.
25 bar is not bad.
I guess technically it is helium-4 and helium-3.
What does that mean, technically?
Well, it's not helium-1.
Who's?
Kind of like how ice.
What the hell is helium-1?
Kind of like how ice, water phase diagram. That's not the one. This guy. There's like, 7 different types of ice.
Bro. Why?
So you could technically have ice at 900 Kelvin
Yeah.
at the right pressure.
1 Tera Pascal.
We won't talk about that.
What do you mean?
We won't talk about that.
1 terapat. Oh my fucking god. What even... That is so much pressure, I don't think I can even comprehend that.
It's not allowed to liquefy. There is so much pressure, you are forcing the atoms to bond. Grab your neighbors.
Hold on. See, that's not a straight line. So, I think you can apply more heat.
Oh, do you think this is an asymptote?
Maybe.
Do you think it's asymptotically approaching some temperature, or do you think it goes up and then meets?
I would think it would have to. I think, although,
Like
maybe,
what about right here?
maybe at some
Could-
point
could
it
you
just
have-
vaporizes.
Could you have gas, water, at near 0 pascals?
Maybe at some point it just ionizes and the actual water itself breaks down no matter what the pressure is.
See, these are the questions I used to ask. I wanted to know, what was the question? Oh, it was specifically the density of water. Where's the water density graph? So, there is, yes, this guy. We all know the density peaks at about 4 Celsius. Oh yeah, there they go. They zoom in. How nice of them.
Oh, yeah.
They zoom in. 4 Celsius. Actually, I think it's like 3.87, but who's counting? Anyways, right here. I wanted to know how high this gets. This is negative 200 Celsius, right? Now, I can tell, obviously, it's not going to go... Bing!
Well, you don't know that. How could you possibly ever know?
I was curious. Could you have something like... Could it just go like, what if at negative 250, it goes... Bing! And then...
At minus 272.
At minus 272...
Well, technically it can go to the minus 273 because minus 273.15.
0.15.
So yeah, minus 273, it's like tungsten.
Like negative 459.67 Fahrenheit.
Well, it becomes a black hole, but
that is when it becomes
a black hole. But that's besides the point.
No.
Everything in the universe becomes a black hole at that temperature.
No. No, that is just when classical mechanics tells you all the atomic motion has ceased. However, quantum mechanics tells you it's still vibrating. There is a 0 point energy, a minimum amount of energy. However, that does not mean no movement. Heisenberg would say otherwise.
Right, you can't know that it has no movement through the uncertainty
However, you
principle.
have a very interesting effect that happens. You get another state of matter. All the atoms, their waves begin to synchronize. So peaks with peaks, troughs with troughs. And you have a material that behaves as if it's a singular atom. You can do some cool experiments with this.
So it's a neutron star.
But it behaves as if it's one atom. And they have a special name for that element.
What?
Bose-Einstein condensate.
Oh my god.
I was waiting for you to say it. But
Isn't a neutron star technically just one giant atom? Just no protons?
No.
Because everything's been converted to neutrons. It's just a giant lump of neutrons.
But does it behave as if it's one neutron?
One neutron? You said one atom, not one neutron.
Yeah, all the atoms behave as if it's one atom.
Right, but this is literally just neutrons. I guess there's technically no protons anymore. They were all compressed
Into a soup.
I wouldn't call it a soup. It's literally the densest material in the universe.
Well, is it like a quark gluon plasma? Is that what they call it?
I don't know. These are things you can Google. We have the universe at our fingertips here.
No. Oh, wow.
The sum of human knowledge. You know, I was at work. It was just like, I wondered about this. Wonder about this. And I looked at them like, you have the sum of human knowledge at your fingertips right now.
But I have to do the work and look it up.
So? Oh.
Oh.
We zoomed in.
Open Oppenheimer.
Oh my god, not the memes. Well, anyways, I don't know how the fuck we ever get. How do we ever go down these rabbit holes that are just?
You really want to know?
No. That was 20 minutes. I know. Where did the last 20 minutes of my life go?